Hey guys, how's it going? If you're watching this video, that means that this channel just hit 100 subscribers. As kind of a weird way to say thank you, we wanted to do something a little bit different by unboxing this really odd Garfield stuffed animal that we saw on Amazon because we just thought it'd be a good idea. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into that review. Alright, so interesting thing here, the bag is surprisingly small. I thought the Garfield would actually be bigger than the bag itself, so I'm kind of interested to see how this thing is packaged. Way smaller than I thought. Alright, hold on. Let me open this up. Is this guy vacuum sealed? Oh my god. I think he's vacuum sealed. Yo, look at his eyes. Oh my god, look at his eyes. Where's my knife? Hold on, let me get my knife. I'm gonna open this up. Probably from the top here. Alright, let's cut this guy open. Ooh, you can feel the air come out immediately when I cut this thing open. So yeah, definitely vacuum sealed. Is this thing gonna expand when I take it out of the bag here? Let me take a look. Holy... Look at the eyes! Oh my god. Look at him! Let me take a look at the tiger stripes don't even match in the... I don't know what to say. Alright, so now that we got the unboxing out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at the tech specs of this thing. So this guy has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Adreno 730 GPU, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. Extremely sturdy, extremely long-lasting, and last but not least, uncontrollably ugly. There's definitely something to be said about this guy, but I'm gonna be honest, he's kind of cute in like a weird way. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, maybe we'll do a giveaway of this guy. Let me know if you want it in the comments, and maybe we'll ship this out to you. I'm not sure yet. I don't even know if I want to keep this around my house, but I kind of like him, not gonna lie. But yeah, anyways, on a serious note, thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Here's to 100 more. Thank you for supporting us, and we'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Till then, take care of yourselves.
Humphrey, don't eat him. Don't eat him. He's your friend. Okay? No, what I just say?